In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft Store if it's not opening or working correctly in Windows 11. If the app is failing to launch, we'll walk through a few simple steps to get it back up and running. Open the Start menu on your computer. Search for Microsoft Store, right-click on the app icon, and select App Settings. This will open the System Settings page. Scroll down until you reach the Terminate section and click the Terminate button to instantly end all related processes. Scroll down further to the Reset section. Click the Repair button first. This will try to fix the app without affecting your data. If it's still not working, click the Reset button. Confirm by clicking Reset again in the pop-up window. Note that this will delete the app's data. Once the reset is complete, open your Start menu again, type in WS Reset, and click on the WS Reset Run command. A black command prompt window will appear briefly. This is clearing the store cache and might take a moment to process. After the cache is cleared, the Microsoft Store should launch automatically. Alright, let's try another fix that often causes issues with the store, which is your time and update settings. If your clock is even slightly off, the Microsoft Store might refuse to connect. First, go to your Start menu and click on Settings. From the list on the left-hand side, select Time and Language. Now, click on Date and Time. Make sure that the option Set the Time Zone Automatically is switched on. Also, check that Set the Time Automatically is switched on as well. Next, click on Windows Update in the sidebar. Click the button that says Check for Updates. If there are any updates waiting, you must go and install them now. Once everything is updated and your time is synced, check to see if that solves the issue. Alright, let's look at the final solution for when nothing else seems to work. This involves using PowerShell to essentially re-register the store to your system. First, go to your Start menu and search for PowerShell. Do not just click it. You must right-click on Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. This is important to get the right permissions. Once that blue window opens up, you are going to copy and paste a specific command. I have put this exact command in the video description, so you can just copy it and paste it in, just like I'm doing here. After you have pasted the text, simply press Enter. It might take a moment to process, but once it is finished, you can close the window. Now, try opening the Microsoft Store again. It should open up perfectly for you now. Hopefully, one of these methods worked for you. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more Windows 11 fixes.